Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I'd like to thank you for stopping back again. And if you are new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. Today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review of this Amazon wig that I purchased a while ago, and I thought I'd bring it out because, you know, it's kind of fall inspired. So if you want to see how I got this wig together, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have a little something different for you today. I am stepping out of my comfort zone, way out of my comfort zone. So I have this wig that I purchased probably over a year ago. I've never worn it, it's just been sitting there. So I said to myself, you know, since this wig is looking a little fall inspired, I said, let me go ahead and do a review. So I have my hair braided going back, and all I'm going to do is put on a stocking cap. So the hair is from a brand called Cala, K-A-L-Y-S. It's 100 premium synthetic fiber. The color is 99J. I purchased it from Amazon and it was $19.99. Okay, so I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description section. So it comes in this packet. That's the name. That's on it. All right, so let me take it out and show it to you guys. I don't remember ever wearing anything like this color. This is a color. It's like a dark red. Burgundy, reddish burgundy. All right, it's 22 inches long, so I'm just going to wrap up my hair since I don't have to leave any of my hair out. I didn't even do my edges, okay? Because why put some edge control on my edges when I don't really need it? Not today. All right guys, so now don't laugh at me if it doesn't look good, you know. I'm sure you guys will let me know if you like it or not. It has a bang. It has two combs in the front here. And one here and one here. And the draw string in the back. So I'm just going to adjust it. I don't know how it's going to be, but let me adjust it before I put it on my head. I'm just putting in, you know, little clips here. Okay. All right guys, here we go. So it has a bang. It's been in the bag for so long. Let me just untangle it a little bit. All right, so here we go. And this is not a color that I would normally wear, but I'm like, what the heck? All right, so put the comb in right here on that side, and then the other comb goes on the other side. This is how we're looking. Straight out of the box or the package. It's a little tangled. Okay. Trying to get some of these tangles out first. I guess that's what happened when you have it sitting there. So I try to put on like a little plumish lipstick, you know, to tie in with the look. Okay, Just trying to look in my mirror here. Let me zoom it in so you can see the color. You know what? She's not looking too bad. And I have my flat iron here just in case if I need to flatten the top a little bit. I mean, she's cute. Okay. I'm not even going to touch the bangs. Let me see if you can put heat on this thing. It doesn't say, but normally with these things you can put a little bit of heat. So what do you think? I think she's cute. Let me pull it back a little bit so my eyebrows could show. I have my pressing comb here. I'm just going to maybe flatten down the top a little bit. Okay. Yeah. I don't want it to burn. I just saw a girl on TikTok and she put the pressing comb in her hair and the whole section came out. It was so funny. But at least it wasn't her hair. Okay. So all I'm doing is just like flattening the little part here at the top. She's nice. She's looking a little dry. Let me get some oil sheen just to put a little bit on the top, just a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm back. Since she's looking a little dull, I just have this oil sheen here. Let me just spray. I'm gonna spray a little bit in my hand, right? And just like run my fingers through it just a little bit. Take the dullness away. You don't want it to look too shiny, and then it's going to look really, really fake. But I think that's better. This is how she's looking in the front. And I'm going to turn around so you could see the back. Once I take some of these knots out. I don't believe I've had this thing for so long and I haven't worn it. So I want you guys to leave me some comments. Let me know, is it a yay or nay? What do you think? All right, let me zoom you out and then I'll turn around so you could see. Okay, that's how it's looking in the back. I'm not sure if I untangle it enough. That's her from the side. I mean, you could push it behind your ear if you want to. You know, just have to make sure that your sides are covered up. Let's see. I mean, I think she's cute. You just have to make sure if you wear it behind your ear that your sides are well, you know, put on some edge control and stuff, but I like it. but I'm sure you guys will let me know, right? Let me know what you think. I think this is a different look. This could keep my head cool. Keep my head warm, I should say, in the fall term. In the fall season, which is coming up pretty soon. You know, she's nice. Just making sure that my brows are exposed. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick hair tutorial that I had for you today. If you enjoy this look, leave me some comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. This is a color that I haven't worn before and it was kind of fun trying it. So let me know if you guys think it suits me. Is it a yay? Is it a nay? Let me know. Also, before you leave the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love it, and also share with your family and friends. Okay guys, until next time, I hope to see you very, very soon. Take care of yourself and each other. Bye.